My name is Jamie Sloan. I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I've been an art therapist for 15 years. I decided on a career in art therapy because I wanted to merge together my love of art as well as psychology. So I started my graduate school program after I found a program that met my needs. The advice I would like to give to someone who's joining the field is make sure you understand what the compensation levels are at this time. The art therapy's been around for a long time, but it's not financially well rewarded, so make sure you understand that and have a plan in place. The changes that I would like to see in the field in the next 5 years are more work with veterans. I'm a veteran myself. I'm a captain in the United States Army Reserve. I recently returned from a deployment to Iraq, and I would like to see a lot more services for veterans that include art therapy and have it recognized more on a national level. The best thing about being an art therapist is you get to do what you love and help people at the same time.